Hey guys, welcome back. I'm gonna take you guys around and show you what I did for the revamped or the formal living room and the formal dining room. And you know, these chairs are from American Furniture Warehouse. Throw pillow, throw blanket, just to go ahead and break that up a little bit. It was too matchy, so I decided to go ahead and add a pop of blue there, and I love it, guys. So guys, I moved the living room over here and the dining room back there. What do you guys think? Please leave a comment below and let me know what you think about it. And I'm gonna take you guys around and show you what I got. I have some new stuff for you guys. So guys, my dining room was previously where the living room is, and these are my formal dining room and formal living room. This is why it looks so good. Downstairs, I cannot speak the same for this. Yeah, guys, so my table is from American Furniture, and everything here is from American Furniture as furniture wise, and I'm gonna be able to tell you where everything is from. My table from American Furniture, and the chairs, as well as the entertainment center back there. And guys, I got these candle holders and the candle from Arc Thrift Store and Goodwill. And guys, if you're used to my channel, you'll be a long-time subscriber, you know this is what I do. I don't like to break the bank, but I like my things to look nice, so I will wait up until it's 50% off, or go on Fridays when they have new things that have not been picked from yet. So guys, I just want to let you guys know that do not waste time. Everything in this room is from American Furniture Warehouse, Home Goods, Goodwill, and some things are from Arc Thrift Stores, so that if you need some specific items, you can let me know. I don't want the videos to be too long. So guys, that's basically where everything is from, apart from my napkin ring and my napkin. They are from actually Amazon. So yeah guys, I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of the video, and please do not forget to subscribe. Thumbs up, please do thumbs up, because that shows me that you do like the video.